Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
Okay, this is a 2012 DR650 from Suzuki. It has really crappy stock suspension, so I purchased a Cogent Mojave Pro Series rear shock, and this is it. And just about to bolt this in, and I've already found a difference between this and the stock one in the sense that the threaded end here is on the opposite side. So normally you would feed the bolt in from the right side of the bike, but because it's threaded here and not here, I'm guessing I need to thread it in from the left. And hopefully that won't cause any issues. I would normally call Cogent to ask, but they're closed, and I just want to get this in. So I'll call them tomorrow. If it's wrong, I'll have to turn this shock. So I'm just struggling to get this to fit because it's not exactly the same as the old shock. Put a bit of thread locker. This is not permanent. This is a temporary thread locker, or medium, so you can remove it again in the future, but it won't come off when you're riding.
I'm doing the top or the bottom first.
I'm pretty sure the top is supposed to be in before you put the bottom bolt on. That proved to be very difficult.
Alright. So that's an issue. When you're putting it on, you need to make sure that this top part is inside of where it's supposed to be before you screw in the bottom. Slip in.
Right.
Just move this tube.
Now there's this breather pipe.
So it needs to fit in that little bracket right there. Like that.
Right. Now what's this pipe in my way? This is the rear brake line. Now I need the upper bolt.
Alright, so when you install it, the brake line should be touching. I mean, it could be touching. But it should be able to slip in anyway without squeezing it. If it is, there's something wrong with your bike. Either you bent the frame or something's not on right.
Maybe. You know what?
Just screw it on enough that it'll hold.
Right.
And then after we'll torque it down and we'll tell you what torque you will need.
There, that's just started.
Alright, so now that the top started, we're going to torque it down later. We just need that one to be in, so then we can screw in the bottom, which is now almost fully aligned. So now the bottom's in and the top is in.
Right,
They're
so
not
that's the
torqued
trick.
down.
Now do the top first.
Yeah. So when you're installing these, you really want to do the top first. Did you already replace the front shocks? You did, right?
Yeah. The Cogent drop-in dynamic cartridges.
So these are both Cogent?
Yep.
Nice. So these are like the top notch for the DR650.
It's up there, yep. Okay. Now I'm torquing this to 41 Newton meters.
So the bottom is torqued to 41 Newton meters. I'll put that on the screen right now so you guys remember. Alright, so this page, it's under chassis 5 to 39, rear swing arm and suspension. So in here, you're going to be looking for
Top
A.
bolt, A, 55 Newton meters.
So the top is 55 Newton meters and the bottom is 41, correct?
Yeah, the bottom's not a stock setting. The top is. Let's see if I remove this, can I get it back in later? I'm hoping the answer is a definite yes.
Why are you taking it out?
I'm not sure. I was thinking I should put some Loctite on it too.
Oh. Thread locker.
I think that might be a good idea, although the top doesn't go through nearly as much abuse as the bottom.
Which is why the bottom is like a different thing of stock. Newton meters.
Right.
I can't see from where I'm at. It looks like it needs to go up a little. Actually, forwards. Yeah, it should. Yeah, there.
There we go.
All right. So in case you can't see it, that's
meters
it.
was that 50?
Right there. Newton meters 55.
55?
Pretty sure. Forget. Let's go back in the video and we'll see if I got that right or wrong. Pretty sure it's 55 now.
I'll go with 54.4. This flexes, it twists.
Oh.
So the torque spec should be adjusted for the length of this, which I'm not bothering to do because this is a DR650 and not a Ferrari. It will still be fine.
Alright, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If anybody out there owns a Suzuki DR650 and is actually thinking about doing this, put that down in the comment section below. And what other modifications are you thinking of putting on your DR650? And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, YouTube.